Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best micro ATX cases for your gaming PC that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium case to showcase your build, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Thermaltake Versa H18. This case is a solid choice for those who want a compact and functional design without breaking the bank. It features a mesh front panel with a built-in blue LED strip, giving it a sleek and modern look that complements its performance-focused design. The tempered glass side panel lets you showcase your components, while the full-length PSU cover keeps your build clean and organized. In terms of cooling, the Versa H18 is designed for optimal airflow. It supports up to a 240mm or 280mm AIO liquid cooler, ensuring your system stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. The interior is spacious enough to accommodate micro ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 407mm in length, and multiple storage drives, making it versatile for a range of builds. Additionally, the magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom are easy to clean and help maintain airflow efficiency. While the Versa H18 offers excellent build quality and cooling capabilities, it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-ranked cases, such as USB Type-C ports or ARGB fans. However, for gamers on a budget who prioritize airflow and functionality, this case is a fantastic option. Pros include its affordability, sturdy build, and ease of cable management. While the cons are its limited I/O options and slightly dated aesthetic. Overall, it's a reliable choice for budget-conscious builders. At number 4, we have the budget-friendly Cooler Master Q300L. Priced at just $39.99, this case is perfect for builders looking to maximize value without sacrificing essential features. The standout feature here is the modular I/O panel, which can be repositioned to suit your setup. The magnetic dust filters not only improve airflow, but also feature a unique pattern that adds a touch of style to the overall design. The Q300L offers decent interior space for a budget case, supporting GPUs up to 360mm in length and CPU coolers up to 159mm in height. It also accommodates up to 5 fans or a 240mm liquid cooler, which is impressive for its price range. The transparent acrylic side panel lets you show off your build, though it doesn't offer the same level of durability as tempered glass. The perforated design on all sides promotes excellent thermal performance, keeping your components cool under load. While the Q300L excels in affordability and airflow, it does have some limitations. The acrylic side panel scratches easily, and the overall material quality is less premium compared to higher-end models. Additionally, it lacks features like RGB fans or USB Type-C ports. However, if you're a first-time builder or working with a tight budget, the Q300L delivers great value and functionality for its low price point. Taking the third spot is the Aqua 3 Micro ATX case from Okinos, priced at $73. This case stands out with its 270-degree panoramic tempered glass front and side panels, offering a stunning view of your components. The diamond-cut angles add a premium aesthetic, making it an ideal choice for builders who want their PC to double as a showpiece. The steel mesh front with a finer 1.2mm grid enhances both airflow and durability, keeping your system cool and dust-free. The Aqua 3 is equipped with 3 pre-installed ARGB fans and a built-in 4-port ARGB controller, allowing you to customize your lighting setup with ease. It supports GPUs up to 320mm in length, including the 4070, and CPU coolers up to 164mm tall. The inclusion of USB 3.0 ports, a high-speed Type-C port, and advanced quick-release panels makes installation and upgrades a breeze. While the Aqua 3 offers a premium look and robust cooling, it does come at a slightly higher price point. Additionally, its smaller interior may feel cramped for users with larger hands or those who plan to install multiple storage drives. Pros include its stunning design, excellent airflow, and user-friendly features, while the cons are its higher cost and limited internal space. This case is perfect for gamers and creators who want a visually striking and high-performing build. In the runner-up spot, we have the darkFlash DB330M, priced at $55.04. This case strikes an excellent balance between affordability and premium features, making it one of the best value-for-money options on the market. The 270-degree panoramic tempered glass side panel provides an expansive view of your hardware, while the vertical airflow design ensures optimal cooling. The 3 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans create a stunning light show while maintaining efficient airflow throughout the case. The DB330M is built with attention to detail, featuring magnetic dust filters and a high-speed I/O panel with USB 3.0 and Type-C ports for fast data transfer. It's also designed for easy installation, with excellent cable management options and quick access to components, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced builders. The PSU shroud and hard drive cage add to the clean and organized look of your build. While the DB330M offers great value, it does lack an RGB hub controller, which means you'll need to rely on your motherboard for lighting customization. Additionally, the tempered glass panels, while durable, can be prone to fingerprints. Pros include its affordable price, great cooling, and premium design, while the cons are the absence of an RGB hub and the potential for smudges on the glass. This case is an excellent choice for gamers who want style and performance without overspending. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the darkFlash DPW90M, the ultimate micro ATX case for gaming enthusiasts. At $76.49, this premium case offers a blend of cutting-edge design, unparalleled cooling, and exceptional build quality. The dual-tempered curved glass panels create a sleek, modern aesthetic, providing a panoramic view of your components. The curved edges ensure an elegant R-angle transition, setting this case apart from the competition. The DPW90M is optimized for high-performance builds, supporting up to 9 120mm fans and dual 360mm radiators. The spacious interior can fit high-end GPUs like the 4090 and multiple storage options, making it perfect for advanced gaming and productivity setups. The high-speed I/O panel includes dual USB 3.0 ports for fast connectivity, while the user-friendly design simplifies cable management and component installation. While the DPW90M is the most expensive case on this list, it justifies its price with premium features and top-tier performance. The only downside is that it doesn't include an RGB hub controller, which may require additional accessories for lighting customization. Pros include its luxurious design, superior cooling capabilities, and spacious interior, while the cons are its higher price and lack of an included RGB hub. This case is the perfect choice for those who want the best of the best in both aesthetics and functionality. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.